Yeah. Thank you, Sanjeev. Before I invite anyone else, I just wanted to share a few things. First and foremost, I think the question in all of your minds must be is to why do we do this? What is in it for us? It's so much of sacrifice on our personal time, our professional time. What drives us? I think there's a few things. The most important thing is, I think we believe, or rather want to promote the IIM brand. This brand, which has brought all of us together, is really a reflection of the meritocracy through which we have risen. We all come from similar socio-economic backgrounds, and we have gone through purely on merit, and we owe our current positions to the institute. So we are very passionate about the IIM brand, and we really want to take it globally and put it at par with all the prominent business schools. And Piyush mentioned about the fact that IIT brand is known better than IIM. And since I have been involved in this journey for 11 years, and when I came to Singapore and we would have our single alumni association meetings, we would find that there are very few people who attend these meetings. And that's when Venki started this initiative of, he suggested that why don't we alumni associations of individual IIMs come together. It kind of struck a chord with me. I realized there's strength in numbers. If we can get everyone together, we can really scale new heights. And that was really the genesis of IIM Pact. In this journey, there have been a lot of people, Sanjeev mentioned, and I have been very closely associated in the last 3 when we took it global. There are a few people I would like to acknowledge. One is on the dais, Hari Haran. It was my pleasure to know Hari. He was the program coordinator for IIM Pact 2013, the New Frontier. He was involved as the marketing lead for IIM Pact 2014. And this year, he doesn't have any role. He is not leading anything. But believe me, he's been involved in each and every track. Whenever we felt short or there was a crisis, the man to go to was Hari. Very unassuming, very person always at the background, never wanting any limelight. It's been a delight to work with you, Hari. The other person who I'd like to acknowledge, again, who did not have any formal role, is Suresh Shankar. Suresh, if you're around, can you please come? Please come. So Suresh is considered as a disruptor, always in the face, direct, and most of the time not agreeing with the general views of the committee. But he is one man who believes again in the cause, and he will put his differences aside, and when asked to do something, he will step forward. So, Suresh, it's been a great pleasure. Oh, come, we'll do it later. The other person, again, who did not have a formal role, and again, who I have been associated for the last 11 years, is a person who I'm delighted to know, Renuka. Can you please come on stage? She's the person, again, at the last minute, whenever we need some help on some creativity, some writing, putting the souvenir together, this is the person we go to, and every time, 2 weeks before the event, she will, come and help us. So Renuka, it's been a delight working with you. And please excuse us for any misgivings which we had. Okay. Now, 12 months back, when we thought about this whole thing, there was one person, and this is during the brainstorming sessions. We said, where do we want IIM Pact to go to? There are challenges in doing these physical events. And a brainwave came that we should take our event to time and space, that we use technology, the digital platform, to not only connect the 1,800 IIM alumni in Singapore, but about 60,000 IIM alumni who are there globally. And that idea, and the person who took on the responsibility to execute that is Nirmal. Nirmal, if you're around, can you please come? Come. And the persons who helped Nirmal in his execution, Rahul Bajaj, can you please come? Rahul also works for me, so he has no choice but to be part of this. So. Next, the challenges again we have had is community engagement. This is again one area we always try to reach out to 1,000, 1,800 alumni here, and then we have this ambition of reaching out to the neighboring countries, India, and really want to make it a much bigger event, and we struggle with this community engagement task. So the person who heads this for us, and he has done it time and again, Sanjeev Gupta. Sanjeev, where are you? Sanjeev, yeah, please. I thought you're probably having a drink somewhere. But before Sanjeev agreed to take on this task, there was one other person who was actually in that role. And if Deep, if you are around in the room, can you please come?
He's left.
Yeah? Oh, he's left. Okay. So you heard Deep in the morning. Deep was actually, when we discovered Deep, and this was an accident through a social media article, we actually asked him to lead the CET initiative, and being a soldier as he is, he took up on the task. And we were very confident. Unfortunately, he got transferred, and then the burden came on Sanjeev's shoulders. So I would like to invite other members of Sanjeev's team, Bhaskar Jayaraman, Yogendra Tiwari, Devlina Saha, Vani Gopalan, Madhuri Agarwal, and Rahul Singh. These are all, we came up with the new concept of batch champions. We had institute champions, and some of these were institute champions, IMA, BCL. Where are you guys? I don't see any of you. They're not there? Okay. Next is marketing. Marketing, Harish Natarajan, I believe he had to leave, so he's not around. Harish. Bhaskar Rao. Is Bhaskar around? Bhaskar. Okay, Bhaskar. Ravi. Ravi. Bhaskar. Bhaskar, please come. And Ravi Srinivasan. Ravi, please come. Next, the most important, I think this is again a very, very important task, is getting funds. Raising funds for an increasing scale of this size is always a challenge. Up to the challenge were a team led by Supriyo Sarkar. Please, Supriyo. Vidya Vasanya. Prayanto Basu. Supriya Sen. Krishan Sharma. And Priyadarshini Sengupta. Logistics. The fantastic organization which you are seeing is the effort of just 2 individuals. And it's my pleasure to invite Rakesh Chopra and Vipin Vashisht as a 2-member logistics team which has put together this fabulous Imaginarium. You may have seen this Imaginarium, which was actually really put together by Hari in a short span of about 8 to 10 weeks. He was ably assisted by Shubhra. Unfortunately, Shubhra could not be with us. There was a family situation. He had to leave. Abhijit Patwardhan, Neil Pillai, Sanjay Gandhi, Tuhina Singh, and Srinivas Chakravarti. If you are there, please come. Sanjay, please come. And finally, the program and content management team. This is the team which brought together this fascinating 2-day of program before you. This team was ably led by Arvind Sankaran and Vinay Dikshit. Arvind and Vinay. Huge round of applause for these gentlemen, please. They were ably assisted by the circles. We saw circle leads. Vinika Rao, who also did the emceeing for most part of the program. Vinika. Venkatesh Babu, Prashant Kothari, Havovi Joshi, gentlemen, this is the team which brought IMPACT together. But before we go into celebration mode, there are two more individuals I'd like to acknowledge. This IMPACT platform, as it has expanded, has brought in more and more partners. And there are two partners, actually three partners which I would like to recognize. The first partner is D-Ideas.
Yeah.
Purnima, please come forward. Purnima's, she really takes this event as her own. So it's as much as Pan Am Alumni's event as much as it is Purnima Kamat's. Okay, two more individuals. One is Puneet Pushkarna, President of TiE Singapore. Puneet, are you around? Puneet? Okay. Puneet is again a person who attended our IMPACT 2013, and since then, he feels that this event is like his own event. So he pitches this event to delegates to attend, for sponsors to fund, for speakers to come. So we're really very deeply appreciative of Puneet, and Sukanya, please pass on our compliments to Puneet for that. And the other person is Rajiv Srivastav, Basil Partners, who have really helped us at this time, and we'd like to deeply acknowledge his efforts. Yes, and I'll also now request Purnima to get all her team to come on stage, please. Ila, Kashmira, Geeta, Revati, Ajay, Shreya, Ganesh, George. Have you got everyone? And Vinod and the council. Vinod. So gentlemen, if you see, this is the entire team which has brought IMPACT.
May I request the members of Advisory Council to join us on stage? Huge thanks from me and the team. So Piyush, who chaired the Advisory Council, please, if you could come up on stage. Ambi Srinivasan, Sunny, Rohit. And Girija and Venki as well, if you could join us on stage.
Yeah, it would be appropriate if Girija and Venki could also join us. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Welcome, Girija. Well done, guys. Are you going to sing now? Or? Yeah, now I think we will request Sanjeev to sing.
I'm wondering if there's any audience left.
Yes, that's a pretty apt comment. So, huge number of people are up here on the stage already. So, this is really a moment to celebrate. So, where are the bottles of champagne? And where's the video?
Video. And the song. Champagne will open only after the song. Yeah, we'll see that. We'll see the video. Sanjeev, first singing.
What do you want me to sing?
Anything, anything. We can't do. Quick, खुशी का गाना.
Okay. ये शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए. Thank you. Come, Alok. Piyush, come. Can I shake it first?
Don't shake.
Why not?
Thumb.
No.
But don't spread it. Don't. Oh, very good.
What for that?
Yeah. Yeah, thank you.